How to check messages on Binance. Are you guys facing issues to check up your messages on Binance application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To check up your messages on Binance, first of all open Binance app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top of your screen where you can see this option for message box. You are looking to check off the message box, right? Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface where you will be able to see options like chat, announcement from Binance, campaigns, account login attempt from new IP, marketing and activities. You will be able to see all these informations. From here, you will be also be able to detect if some person are trying to log in into your account. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna check up your messages on Binance. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.